Let's take a look at common directories. So, we enter the / directory, the highest level directory. We list the folders in that directory. So, you'll see there's some folders here, or some directories. On every Linux system, you'll find these directories. These are the common directories. etc, and that's the first one. That's a directory, one of the most important ones because it stores all of the configuration files, like the password and the shadow file. The shadow file actually contains the real passwords of users. Those files are hashed, so we cannot just read them, but it's possible to crack them, and then you would have the password of all the systems. You can find other configuration files in the etc directory as well. There's the var directory. You'll see /var. var is short for variable data. So that is usually log files, and stuff like that. If you enter the var directory, you'll see there's a directory log, where you can find log files. So, lots of different log files in here that you might output with the cat command. Let's go back to the / directory. You can clear the screen with Ctrl-L. You'll see there is a root directory. When we list the folders here, there is the root directory. Root is the home of the root user. All other home directories are in the home directory. So, /home/Kali. User files for Kali are in /home/Kali. If you have a user Alice, then Alice files are in /home/Alice. But the root is different. If the super user root has the directory /root, so that contains the files and folders for that super user. There is the tmp directory, which is a folder you can store temporary files. Those automatically get deleted once you restart your computer. So tmp is just temporary files, you can store that. Those are some of the default common directories that are important on the Linux system. And that wraps up our tutorials on Linux command line tutorials for beginners. We hope you found this playlist helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.